Hello everyone, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to play the World War Heroes 2 test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device where the phone actually supports 120 FPS gameplay or not while playing this kind of game. So this is a question friends which a few of the users did ask me to try this game particularly in the Realme GT Neo 2. So because this game actually supports the high FPS up to 160 FPS as well. Yes, this game is capable of supporting, but one quick note, this phone is not supported at this moment with the high refresh rate. Still the problem not yet got fixed. So maybe something to do with the Realme UI. So there is no problem with the hardware. There is some problem with the Realme UI which is going on at this moment. So high refresh rate games, right now it's not that supported in the Realme GT Neo 2. Maybe with the future updates they might be able to fix it. But let's go to the graphics option and here you will be able to see maximum FPS during the game. I did select 120 FPS. And this game has got inbuilt FPS meter, so where you will be able to track real time, and this is a refresh rate you will be seeing. It's not increasing about 60 Hz refresh rate, it's staying only 60. So let's go to the display options, and the display options we can actually see more options, and as you can see I did select 120 Hz refresh rate only. I'm not using any auto or 60. So right now as you can see friends, let me start the game and I'll try to show you. So same game in other phones like POCO X8 GT. This is a POCO X8 GT, right? As you can see, this phone actually supports 120 FPS without any kind of problem. So I never had any issues with the high refresh rate games in the POCO phones or maybe MI phones, Mi phones, Redmi phones. So no issues. This phone is supporting with the 120 FPS. Definitely you will be able to play it. And inside game also you'll be getting a real-time FPS meter. Somewhere around here. Let me just show you exactly. As you can see friends, on the top, it's showing only 60 FPS only, 60 FPS. So this game at this moment in the Realme GT Neo 2, because of these restrictions with the UI, you won't be able to play at high FPS. But on the other hand, I can actually show you in the POCO X8 GT, you will be able to see 120 FPS, it's coming in the POCO X8 GT. As you can see friends, 120 FPS, 119 FPS, 116 as well. As you can see clearly, but in the Realme GT Neo 2 it's only staying 60 FPS only, unfortunately. So this is a quick test friends which are just doing on the Realme GT Neo 2 regarding high refresh rate game support test, so which might be giving clear idea what is going on as well. So at this moment high refresh rate games are not playing in this Realme GT Neo 2. Very soon we might be able to see that kind of support as soon as possible. But we are not sure when we will be able to fix that kind of issues. When the Realme will be fixing this kind of issues, exactly we are not sure at this moment. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. Definitely, even if I try to use a brightness stick, let's see whether the brightness stick will work or not. I think the brightness stick may be working. Yes, no. Again, the brightness stick is also not working at this moment, unfortunately. No friends, it's not working brightness stick as well. It's trying to show 120 as soon as, no, it's not working. So this kind of inconsistency is there sometimes in the Realme UI. So maybe hopefully with the next software updates, they might be able to fix it. But if you ask me, will the problem will get 100% fixed or when it will be get fixed? I don't have any answers for that. So unfortunately, seriously. So yes friends, let's see what's gonna happen, and that's it friends, thank you for watching and see in the next video and let's for more updates. And there's one way of playing high refresh rate games in the Realme GT Neo 2 in case if you want to play, which is using the application which is called the set edit application. So this application only if you try to use, only then you will be able to play at high refresh rate. That's kind of something little bit I would not recommend unless you wanted to play really. So that's it friends, thank you for watching, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, bye.